Hi, my name is Tracy Collins. I own Collins Bookkeeping Services. I am a QuickBooks Pro advisor, a live plan certified strategic advisor, and a certified partner with Housecall Pro. I had a request in the Facebook group to do a tutorial on how to handle bad debt expenses in Housecall Pro and QuickBooks Online. So I've went ahead and created an invoice for $200 for gutter replacements. And we know that this one is not going to be paid. Now, even though the invoice has been created, it's already been pushed over to QuickBooks Online, and it's showing that it's open at this time. So what you need to do, and the only thing you need to do in Housecall Pro, is to zero out this invoice. And then when you zero out the invoice, you'll come over to QuickBooks Online and do a refresh. And you'll see that they also zeroed out the invoice in QuickBooks Online. Well, we don't want that because we want to be able to deduct this bad debt on our taxes. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to need to go ahead and edit the invoice. And you need to edit the invoice for the amount of money that was left over in that invoice in Housecall Pro. In this case, it's $200. So the next thing we need to do is we need to go to New and Credit Memo and choose the customer that's not going to pay. And then go ahead and change the or add the product and service as bad debt expense. And you may have to go ahead and create this. So you just click Add, click Service, it says bad debt expense. And then change the account down here to also bad debt expense. And you might have to add this, so click Add. And this is very important. For the account type, you need to change that to an expenses account. And the detail type is bad debt. Save that as bad debt expense. Save and close, then save and close. Now you're going to need to put in here the amount of money that you are writing off, which it happens to be $200. If you save and close, then as you can see, you have the invoice for $200, a payment that was not actually made, and then you have a credit memo for $200 as well, and they have a balance of $0. So then you open up your profit and loss statement. And you can see down here that you have now created an expense account called bad debt expense of $200. And that's really all there is to it. If you would like more information about our monthly bookkeeping services or how we can help you with your cash flow or your budgeting or your debt management, please reach out to us on our website at www.collinsbookkeeping.com.